everybody. My name is Megan and I'm a family learning tutor for Sandwell. Usually I go into schools to work with parents and children together, but today I'm in my kitchen. And I want to show you a very simple activity that you can do at home. So we're going to make a book. It's a magic book because you don't need sellotape or staples. All you need is 3 pieces of paper, a pair of scissors, a ruler and a pencil. When you're using the scissors, make sure you do it carefully. You might need an adult to help you. So, first of all, take the 3 pieces of paper and fold them in half. Then take 2 of the pieces of paper and open the paper up. So you've got the 2 pieces of paper together. Now you need the ruler and pencil, and on the fold here we're going to mark 5 centimetres. So put the edge where the counting starts on the edge of the paper and make a mark at 5. Then do the same thing from the other end. Measure 5 centimetres and make a mark. Make sure you're using the centimetres and not the inches. My ruler has got both, but you want to use the centimetres. Then take the scissors and carefully cut from the edge of the paper to the mark, both ends. Okay, now you need the other piece of paper, and we're going to do a very similar thing, but this time keep this paper folded. So you're going to measure from the edge of the paper on the fold and make a mark. And the same thing from the other end. Measure 5 centimetres and make a mark. This time, when you cut, you're going to cut the middle piece out. So you're going to cut a very thin window. Let me show you. So when you open the paper up, you've got the thin window like that. Now comes the magic bit. Cut before, and you're going to roll them lengthwise. Like this, just gently, don't fold them, just gently roll, and then put it through the slit in the other paper. When you're halfway through, let go of the paper and let it unroll, and there we are, you've made a book, a magic book. So I wonder what you'll use your book for. You can either use it this way or this way. You could cut out pictures to stick in or stick in stickers, draw your own pictures. You could make a diary, write in or draw some things that you've been doing during lockdown when you haven't been going to school. You might not want to use it every day, but just sometimes you might like to think about how you're feeling, what you've been doing, and keep a diary. When I've done this activity in school, I don't know if you can see this, but one child made her own book. She made up her own story, The New Baby Bears it was called. She used stickers and colours and made her own story. So you might like to, rather than do a story, you could do a topic that you're particularly interested in. What about space or animals or cars? And cut out pictures or draw pictures in your book. Why don't you take a photo of what you do and send it into Sandwell to show us how you've been using your book. Okay, thanks everybody. Give it a go. Bye-bye.